Well, sitting in the Camp Wounded Dog basement, waiting for new chemicals to arrive. That's going to take about 3 or 4 days, so all the plating is on hold. So I decided I was going to make some parts for the 316T lanterns, and I couldn't find my crimper. I made a crimper and I lost it. I got to put a little crimp in the vent cap top. So I built myself a new crimper today. Yeah, rascal. That's kind of a pretty thing. And since I had some extra time, I threw it in the tank. It's not a good plating job because of the contaminated plating, but at least it's shiny and it won't rust. So I'm going upstairs, going to watch TV, and I'm going to crimp vent caps for the 316Ts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a good weekend. Bye-bye.